Imagine a tiny, invisible fire smoldering deep within your body. It's not a fire you can see, but you can feel its heat, a persistent, painful burning in your feet, your hands, your very nerves. It flares up, often without warning, stealing your sleep and turning simple walks into agonizing journeys. This isn't just discomfort, it's your body screaming for help. It is a desperate signal that your nerves are literally rusting from the inside out. If you've ever woken up at 3 a.m. with your feet on fire, or felt a pins and needles sensation that just won't quit, then you are experiencing the silent epidemic of sugar rust. And the truth is, it's far more common and far more dangerous than you think. But today, we're not just talking about the problem, we're giving you the solution. This is the 3-step protocol to unrust your nerves. Welcome back to the channel. Last time, we explored why your feet burn at 3 a.m., exposing the insidious sugar rust that attacks your nervous system. Today, we're diving deeper, past the symptoms, to the root cause: high blood sugar's devastating impact on your delicate nerve fibers. We'll reveal exactly how this rust forms, why it causes that excruciating burning, and most importantly, equip you with a simple yet powerful 3-step protocol that can help you finally extinguish that fire and reclaim your comfort. Stay with me, because what you learn in the next few minutes could change your life forever. So, what exactly is this sugar rust? Think of your nerves like intricate electrical wires that carry messages from your brain to every part of your body. They're insulated and protected, designed to transmit signals flawlessly. But when your blood sugar levels are consistently high, it's like pouring corrosive acid over those wires. This isn't just about diabetes, it's about any prolonged period of elevated glucose, whether it's from processed snacks, hidden sugars in healthy foods, or a metabolism that's just struggling to keep up as we age. The scientific term is advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. These sticky, harmful compounds form when excess sugar binds to proteins and fats in your body. And where do they love to wreak havoc? On your nerves. Over time, these AGEs accumulate, causing inflammation, oxidative stress, and structural damage. They literally make your nerves rust, hindering their ability to send proper signals. Instead, they send distorted, painful messages, like that burning, tingling, or numbness you feel. It's not just a symptom, it's a structural breakdown. And without intervention, this rust only spreads. Here's the critical part. Many people dismiss these early warning signs. They think it's just old age, poor circulation, or tired feet. But if you're experiencing burning, tingling, or inexplicable numbness, your nerves are already under siege. Don't let your body's most crucial communication network silently crumble. The good news is you have the power to stop and even reverse some of this damage, and it starts with understanding the battlefield. Let's quickly look at some surprising daily habits that are silently accelerating this sugar rust in your body. You might be doing one of them right now without even realizing it. When glucose levels remain elevated, several destructive processes kick in. First, oxidative stress. Think of it like rust on metal. Excess sugar creates free radicals that essentially oxidize your nerve cells, damaging their delicate structures until they can no longer function. Second, inflammation. High sugar fuels chronic inflammation throughout your body, and your nerves are particularly vulnerable. This constant inflammatory state irritates and slowly degrades nerve fibers. Third, impaired blood flow. Your nerves rely on tiny blood vessels for oxygen and nutrients. High blood sugar damages these vessels, restricting blood flow and essentially starving your nerves. They can't repair themselves, and the rust accelerates. And finally, myelin sheath damage. Nerves are insulated by a protective layer called the myelin sheath. Sugar rust can erode this sheath, exposing the nerve and causing signals to short-circuit, leading to that electric shock pain or heavy numbness. This isn't just about discomfort, it's about the potential loss of sensation, balance issues, and even non-healing wounds. That's why acting now is so vital. So how do you know if your nerves are already rusting? Beyond the burning and tingling, pay attention to these subtle signals. Sharp shooting pains that come and go, like static on a radio, numbness or a dead feeling in your hands or feet, increased sensitivity to touch where even the weight of your bed sheets feels painful, muscle weakness or trouble with balance and coordination. If any of these resonate with you, it's time to take action, because the longer you wait, the deeper the rust settles into the foundation of your nervous system. But here's the exciting part. You can fight back, and it all starts with step 1 of our unrust protocol, the sugar shield. The most critical step in de-rusting your nerves is to regain control over your glucose levels. This isn't just about drastic diets, it's about smart, sustainable choices that starve the rust at its source. First, prioritize protein and healthy fats. Every meal should have a high-quality source of protein, like chicken, fish, eggs, or legumes, and healthy fats, like avocado, nuts, or olive oil. These act as a biological brake, slowing down sugar absorption and preventing those dangerous glucose spikes. Second, fiber is your friend. Load up on non-starchy vegetables. Think leafy greens, broccoli, and bell peppers. Fiber acts like a sponge, soaking up sugar and slowing its entry into your bloodstream. Third, ditch the obvious culprits. This means sugary drinks, processed snacks, white bread, and refined carbohydrates. They are direct fuel for sugar rust. Replace them with water, herbal teas, and whole, unprocessed foods. And fourth, meal timing. Consider giving your body longer breaks between eating, whether it's intermittent fasting or simply cutting out late-night snacking. These breaks help reset your insulin sensitivity and lower your overall glucose exposure. Remember, every time you choose a whole food over something sugary or refined, you're not just eating, you're actively unrusting your nerves. This is a battle fought one meal at a time. Speaking of food, did you know one of the simplest yet most overlooked weapons against sugar rust is something you already have in your kitchen? It's not a fancy supplement, it's not a new diet trend, it's water. Adequate hydration is crucial for flushing out toxins and supporting healthy blood flow to your nerves. Dehydration can actually make nerve pain feel more intense and slow down your body's natural healing process. So before you reach for anything else, reach for a glass of pure, filtered water. It's the cheapest, most effective flush for the rust. But even with a perfect diet, if you're not moving your body, you're missing a vital piece of the puzzle. Which brings us to step 2, the movement matrix. Once you've built your sugar shield, the next step is to activate your body's natural healing mechanisms through movement. Think of it as physically shaking off the rust and sending vital nutrients directly to your nerve endings. Start with daily walks. Even 20 to 30 minutes of brisk walking significantly improves circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to damaged nerves. It also helps your muscles absorb glucose, lowering your blood sugar levels naturally. Next, use targeted nerve glides. These are gentle exercises designed to improve the flexibility and mobility of your nerves, preventing them from getting stuck or compressed by surrounding tissue. Simple movements like pointing and flexing your feet or gently tilting your head side to side can make a huge difference in how your nerves feel. Then try light resistance training. Building even a little bit of lean muscle mass is a metabolic superpower. Muscles are the primary consumers of glucose in the body. You don't need to be a bodybuilder. Simple body weight exercises or light weights a few times a week are incredibly effective. And finally, focus on balance exercises. If nerve damage has affected your stability, incorporating exercises like standing on one leg with support can retrain your brain and nerves to communicate more effectively, preventing dangerous falls. Movement isn't just about burning calories, it's about stimulating your entire system, increasing nerve regeneration factors, and physically massaging those rusty pathways back to life. It's an active process of renewal. Many of us spend hours a day sitting, at desks, in cars, or on couches, and while it feels comfortable, prolonged sitting is a silent accelerator of sugar rust. It slows your circulation, stiffens your joints, and contributes to insulin resistance. So after this video is over, I challenge you, stand up, stretch, and take a quick walk. Even a 5-minute movement break every hour can make a significant difference in preventing further nerve damage. But there's one more crucial step that many people overlook, a powerful, often underestimated weapon in your unrust arsenal. This is about nurturing your nerves from within. Step 3 is the nutrient nurture. Even with an optimal diet, our modern world often depletes us of essential nutrients critical for nerve health. This step is about providing your nerves with the specific building blocks they need to repair, regenerate, and fight off sugar rust. First, B vitamins, especially B12 and B6. These are the architects of your nervous system. B12 is crucial for myelin sheath production and nerve repair. B6 helps in neurotransmitter synthesis. Deficiencies are common, especially as we age or if we take certain medications. Second, alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA. This powerful antioxidant is a superstar for nerve health. It directly combats oxidative stress and can even improve blood flow to nerves. Studies have shown it can significantly reduce that burning and tingling sensation. Third, magnesium. Involved in over 300 bodily functions, magnesium helps regulate blood sugar, reduces muscle cramps, and plays a vital role in nerve signal transmission. Fourth, omega-3 fatty acids. Found in high-quality fish oil, these healthy fats are potent anti-inflammatories. They help calm the inflammatory fire that rusts your nerves and support the structural integrity of your cell membranes. And fifth, vitamin D. Research shows a strong link between vitamin D deficiency and nerve damage. It plays a vital role in nerve protection and regeneration. Remember, always consult with your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions. But these nutrients are the unsung heroes in the fight against sugar rust. Beyond the physical pain, we have to acknowledge the emotional toll. Chronic nerve pain can lead to anxiety, depression, and a feeling of helplessness. It robs you of your joy, your hobbies, and your quality of life. But understanding that this is a physical process, that your nerves are literally rusting, gives you the power to fight back with a targeted strategy. You're not just managing pain, you're actively repairing. You are not destined to suffer. There is hope, and there is a path forward. So, how do you integrate the 3-step protocol into your daily life? Here is your unrust blueprint. In the morning, start with a glass of water. Choose a protein-rich breakfast to stabilize your blood sugar. Take your recommended nerve support supplements. Midday, take a brisk 15-minute walk. Opt for a fiber-rich, whole-food lunch. In the afternoon, stay hydrated. If you sit for long periods, set a timer to stand and stretch every hour. In the evening, enjoy a balanced dinner with plenty of greens. Engage in light resistance exercises or some gentle nerve glides. And before bed, wind down with a relaxing activity and ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Sleep is the ultimate time for cellular repair and reducing inflammation. Healing takes time. Your nerves didn't rust overnight, and they won't unrust overnight either. Be patient with your body and persistent with your efforts. Many people report significant improvements within weeks, with even greater relief over several months. Imagine waking up without that burning sensation, walking without pain, and feeling connected to your body again. That future is within your reach. The beauty of this protocol is that it doesn't just benefit your nerves. When you stabilize your blood sugar, you unlock a cascade of positive health effects: more energy, better sleep, a sharper mind, and a healthier heart. This isn't just about stopping the burning, it's about optimizing your entire life. You now have the knowledge and the actionable steps to begin your unrust journey. Don't let the invisible fire of sugar rust dictate your life any longer. You have the power to take control. Protect your nerves, and they will protect you. If this video resonated with you, if you're ready to finally stop the burning and start unrusting your nerves, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video, where we'll delve into even more strategies to reclaim your health. Thank you for watching. Take care of your nerves, and they will take care of you. We'll see you in the next video.